A to Z,
from east to west. Wow, you said my line too.
I did.
Brother, sister, mommy, daddy, we love each other. Clap your hands together and sing with us.
Ba 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 ba.
I mean,
No,
I don't know. Does your throat feel a little bit tired?
that doesn't look good.
Yeah. Yeah, if you do a vocal warm-up, your throat feels less tired.
All green and gray, so come along.
And
Today, kids, we are in our science room.
science room!
We are going to make science.
Science!
Science.
Science.
Point it.
Science!
Olivia,
Yes.
we are quite excited about doing science.
Science! Yes, I like science.
Okay, so the next one is all. Love each other, clap your hands together and sing with us.
It's great and looks really cool.
You're right.
Multi-layered color.
Yeah, and it's so creative, Noah. You're right. I'm sorry that I was wrong before. I didn't mean to be mean.
You see my eyes?
Yeah. So, this is my journal. We're going to take and cut a pumpkin into the orange felt.
Okay.
And then the black is going to be pieces for the eyes and the nose and the mouth. We're going to make a jack-o'-lantern. That's for you. Once upon a time, there was a teeny tiny woman who lived in a teeny tiny house. Shh. Thank you. As Avatar Nation, we would like to tell you that we are basically the best. So now you know who we are. We are.
Maybe you should mention our names.
Oh, yes.
From Dream Again.
Yes, okay. Control, we are, as Avatar Nation, we are basically the best. You can call us Noah and Olivia from Dream Again. Dream Again, heading to Avatar Land. Shh, over and out.